Welcome to MS Tech World. Most enterprise AI tools look incredible in marketing demos until your team actually has to use them every day. Today, we're looking at ServiceNow's Now Assist. Is it a real game changer or just more enterprise hype? Instead of trying to be a flashy chatbot, Now Assist sits directly inside ServiceNow to cut out repetitive daily grind. It automatically summarizes long IT cases, drafts customer support responses, generates knowledge base articles, and speeds up ticket resolution. If your team handles high request volumes, it's built to give you a solid starting point instead of starting from scratch every single time. When evaluating it, judge it on 4 things: speed, accuracy, control, and trust. But here's the honest reality: it is not on autopilot. Generative AI can sound 100% confident even when it's completely wrong. And if your team's internal process is messy to begin with, AI is just going to help you make that mess a whole lot faster. Here's my top tip if you're testing it. Pick one repetitive task, like drafting ticket summaries, and use Now Assist for a full week on just that. Treat it like a capable assistant, not the final authority. Keep human direction at the center, verify the facts, and refine the output. Bottom line, with clear workflows, it's a huge time saver. Is your company actually letting you use AI tools at work yet? Or is it still totally banned? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more real-world tech breakdowns.